ABC Educational Channel.
Hello, friends. Waving hand, welcome back to Super Kids Learning. Today, we're going to talk about something we all do every day, our daily routine. A daily routine is the things we do from morning to night. Are you ready to follow me through my day? Let's go. I wake up at 6 a.m. I wake up at 6 a.m. I turn off my alarm. I turn off my alarm. I make my bed. I make my bed. I wash my face. I wash my face. I take a bath. I take a bath. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I get dressed. I get dressed. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I go to school. 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 School starts at 8 a.m. School starts at 8 a.m. English is my favorite subject. 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 I have lunch. I have lunch. I get home. 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 I take a nap. I take a nap. I take a nap. I take a nap. I play computer games. I play computer games. I do my homework. I do my homework. I read a book. I read a book. I play with my friends. I play with my friends. I eat dinner. I eat dinner. I wash dishes. I wash dishes. I watch TV. I watch TV. I go to bed. I go to bed. Let's review. My daily routine is, wake up, brush my teeth, eat breakfast, go to school, eat lunch, do homework, play, eat dinner, take a shower, and go to bed. What's your daily routine? You can tell your family or write it in your notebook. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, having a daily routine helps you stay healthy and happy. See you next time. Bye, friends.